Hello, and today I'm going to talk about the Globe Slicer. What I'd like to show you is how to disassemble this machine for cleaning purposes. It's fairly simple. When you want to take apart the slicer, there's a knob here on the bottom. You're just going to twist that off. On the back side, there's also another knob. This guy right here. And that's going to allow that to come off. Then you can clean any food or debris that might get caught under the blade. One thing I can suggest, once using the machine, you're going to want to lube the underside so that the track continuously stays smooth. And for cleaning purposes, I would definitely suggest sanitizing the machine after use. There it is, the Globe Slicer. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.